Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows. So WhatsApp on your phone is just very easy to download and install using your Google Play Store, but in your Windows, you can also easily download that because you have the Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Store. Now click on Microsoft Store under the best match. And here in your Microsoft Store, you'll find the search bar. But if you scroll down, you'll find top free apps from here. And you can find easily WhatsApp in here. But if you cannot find WhatsApp in here, then you can simply search for that in the search bar. Type WhatsApp, hit enter. Now WhatsApp is already installed in my Windows. So let me show you. Let me uninstall WhatsApp first so that you'll know how you can install it. So here we'll find WhatsApp. So click on that. This is also for free. It has also high ratings and garnered a lot of stars. So this is a very useful tool wherein you can connect with your friends, you can chat with your friends, your family using WhatsApp. You can also make online calls with this. So here you just need to simply click on this get button and that will install WhatsApp on your Windows. So you just have to wait in a while the installation process is still going on. Now WhatsApp is installed, so let's close the Microsoft Store and let's search for WhatsApp in the Windows search bar. You'll find it, click on it to open it. Now maximize it. So here, click on Get Started. But you can sign in two ways on your WhatsApp on your Windows. First is you can go on with your phone or your mobile phone. Here is an instruction on WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu. So open WhatsApp on your mobile phone and then you will find the three dots at the top right corner. Click on that, that is the menu. Then you have to click on tap link devices and then you have to capture the QR code here on your desktop or on your Windows. So once you have captured the QR code, then you will automatically be signed in into the WhatsApp on your Windows. You also have here linked with phone number. This is the second way on how you can log in WhatsApp on your Windows. You just need to simply type your mobile number in here and then click on next, and that's it. You will be logged into your WhatsApp. So that's it. That's how you can easily download and install and use WhatsApp on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.